For creators, tools are indispensable for bringing their creativity to life. In order to shape their ideas and visions, it is essential to select and utilize the appropriate tools. Here, we explore the importance of tools that every creator should be aware of. Creators require high-quality tools when producing their work. This enhances the efficiency of their tasks, ultimately leading to more refined and high-quality creative outputs. When selecting tools, it is important to first clarify your purpose. There are tools specialized in various fields, such as design, video editing, and music production, so it is crucial to choose one that meets your needs. Referring to reviews and evaluations can also be helpful. Once you have purchased or downloaded a tool, mastering its use will maximize its effectiveness. By taking advantage of tutorials and online courses, you can learn more detailed usage techniques and enhance your own skills. For creators with limited budgets, free tools are very attractive. Here are a few useful tools that are available for free. Canva is an online tool that makes it easy to design, with a wide range of templates available. It is ideal for creating graphics and presentations. Clipchamp is a browser-based video editing tool. It allows for intuitive operation and enables the creation of high-quality videos in a short period of time. Paid tools, on the other hand, offer more advanced features and can help creators improve the quality of their work. Photoshop is the industry-standard photo editing software. It is highly functional, allowing for photo manipulation and design. It also supports various plugins. Florida Studio is specialized software for music production, allowing users to create and mix music. With its intuitive interface, even beginners can handle it with ease. Creators also need tools to generate ideas. Here, we introduce tools that can stimulate creativity. Google Docs is a cloud-based tool for creating and editing documents, accessible from anywhere, and it facilitates smooth collaboration. Hootsuite is a tool that allows the centralized management of multiple social media accounts, making it efficient to schedule posts and analyze performance. There are many tools that beginners can use with confidence. Here are a few of them. Blender is a free 3D modeling software that offers a wide range of features, from detailed modeling to animation. Krita is a free illustration software focused on drawing, with an accessible interface and a variety of brushes. There are several important points to consider when selecting tools. Below are some key factors to keep in mind. The platform compatibility of the tool, whether with PC, Mac, or mobile devices, is a crucial element. It's important to confirm that the tool functions smoothly in your environment. Instead of just using tools, mastering how to leverage them can enhance their effectiveness. Here are some specific usage methods. When using various tools, it is important to be mindful of your workflow. By utilizing the integration between tools and establishing a system that improves efficiency, you can increase your creative time. Tools are constantly being updated. By making use of new features and improvements, it is possible to further enhance productivity and realize new expressions. Be sure to stay updated with the latest information.